Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School.
In this video, learn English for beginners. What are the words parts of the body? Body parts. Simple dialogue. Practice. 79th lesson. New words. Parts of the body. Other parts of the body. Handy. Parts of the body. Other parts of the body. Handy. At the top. At the bottom. Lower. At the top. At the bottom. Lower. Head. A cheek. Cheeky. Chin. Neck. Neck and neck. Head. A cheek. Cheeky. Chin. Neck. Neck and neck. Arms. Elbows. Fingers. Arms. Elbows. Fingers. Legs. Knees. Feet. Toes. Legs. Knees. Feet. Toes. Practice. Other parts of the body are the arms, the elbows, and the fingers. Lower, you have the legs, the knees, the feet, and the toes. The head. Noun singular, it is at the top. The legs. Noun plural, they are at the bottom. Good advice. When you are driving, always keep the spare wheel handy. And, of course, when you are drinking your beer, can say, chin chin. If you are drinking your whiskey, can say, cheers. Simple dialogue. You look very tired, my dear.
I was on my knees washing the floor.
Go to bed, my dear.
But I have some work. Your trousers are full of holes.
You never stop any work.
You had better buy a new pair.
Let's fill in the missing words. This work is very difficult. Can you give me a hand? This work is very difficult. Can you give me? I need a new pair of trousers. Have you got any? I need a new pair of trousers. Have you got? At the top of the page, write the date and the bottom, your name. At the of the page, write and the your. Second wave. 23rd lesson. Let's listen and repeat.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.